Why do we need a standard meridian for India? India is a large country. It covers a long range of longitudes 67 degree east to 97 degree east. As we know that variation in time is caused by longitudinal difference, so the time difference between the westernmost and the easternmost longitudes of India should be very large. For example, time of Arunachal Pradesh should be 2 hours ahead of Gujarat, but such a situation could cause inconvenience in the activities like transmission of information across different parts of the same country. To avoid this, we designate the 82 degree 30 minute east longitude as standard meridian. The time at this longitude is accepted all across India as the Indian Standard Time. What is the longitudinal extent of India? How does it influence our lives? The longitudinal extent of India is 6 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. It influences our lives in the following ways. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two equal parts. Thus, India is situated in tropical and temperate zones. The northern part of India has a high annual range of temperature, whereas the southern part has a low annual range of temperature. The longitudinal extent influences the duration of the day and night as we move from south to north. What is the prime meridian? What is the other name for it and why? The prime meridian is the imaginary line used to indicate 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich. It is also known as Greenwich Meridian because it passes through the place called Greenwich in London. Describe the location of India in the world map. India lies entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal. To the southwest of mainland lies the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. The extent of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is longitudinal extent 92 degree east to 94 degree east and latitudinal extent 6 degree 45 minutes north to 14 degree north. The extent of the Lakshadweep Island is latitudinal extent 8 degree north to 12 degree 3 minutes north and longitudinal extent 71 degree east to 74 degree east. The southernmost part of the Indian Union is Indira Point, but it is submerged in the ocean in 2004 in tsunami. What do you know about India and her neighbors? India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of the Lakshadweep Island. India has had strong geographical and historical links with her neighbors. India occupies an important strategic position in South Asia. Discuss. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. The Indian landmass is centrally located between East and West Asia. The part that is attached to the Asian continent connects India through land routes and mountain passes to the various countries lying to its northwest and east. The Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with the West Asia, Africa, and Europe from the western coast, and with Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. Why has 82 degree 30 minutes east been selected as the standard meridian of India. 82 degree 30 minutes east has been selected as the standard meridian of India because it is situated in the center of all longitudes and latitudes which our country is located. India is Indian Standard Time is calculated on the basis of 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude, which is just west of the town of Mirzapur near Prayagraj, Allahabad in the state of Uttar Pradesh. To avoid confusion due to time differences and to have a standard time for reference, the time along the meridian 82 degree 30 minutes east passing through Mirzapur has been taken as the standard time for the entire country. This is why the watches show the same time. How has India contributed significantly to the making of world history? Explain with three examples. India has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean. It is her eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contacts with the world have continued through the ages, but her relationships through the land routes are much older than her maritime contact. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishad and Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system have reached many parts of the world.